Hello everyone, my name is Ricardo Torres and I'm going to show you my approach for the Minesweeper project from the AI with Python course. So we have different classes here, the Minesweeper that was already given and the sentence class that we have to complete with different functions that I have already completely implemented. The non-mines, for example, the non-save with the conditions and a for loop. I successfully defined this function, and we have another class, the Minesweeper AI, that is the logic that the AI has to successfully infer different safe spaces. If it doesn't have any safe space, for example, in the first move of the game, it just make a random move, and we also have some logic for taking that random move. So first, for example, we have the mark mine that it's marking the mines known and updates all the knowledge for the mines. And the mark safe also that marks the safes as safe and updates all the knowledge with this mark. Also we have the add knowledge, that's the most important part of the program that's going to add any cell that we can infer cell. So I'm going to show you how this works. Okay, so for the game I'm going to let the AI play. So first we can see that it was a random move. The first step are going to be randoms, but when we encounter a zero, it's the first possibility to make safe moves. As we know, all the nearbys are going to be safe, so it can start making safe moves, and with this other two, it can start making inferences and make new safe spaces. So we can see here it's making already a lot of safe moves. So we can make another random move, but unfortunately it touches I think maybe one of these, because it already knew that this was a bomb and this trio bomb, also this one, but the move that it didn't knew exactly where the bomb was here, because it could be with maybe these two or these two, and it chooses wrong, so not very perfect. It can be, but we see that this nearly works pretty great. So thanks for watching.